The job description of cadet engineer highlights the role of an entry-level engineering professional who works under the guidance of senior engineers and supervisors to gain hands-on experience in technical operations, project management, and problem-solving. Cadet engineers are usually recent graduates who are trained to understand company practices, industry standards, and the technical aspects of their chosen field. This role serves as a foundation for their engineering careers, allowing them to develop both practical and theoretical knowledge. Cadet engineers are often placed in rotational assignments across different departments within an organization, ensuring that they gain exposure to various aspects of engineering processes. This training prepares them for higher responsibilities and specialized roles in the future. For example, a cadet engineer in a manufacturing company may work in design, production, quality control, and maintenance, learning how each department contributes to the overall efficiency of operations. This role is particularly important because it bridges academic knowledge with practical application. Universities provide the technical foundation, but organizations provide real-world challenges that help cadet engineers grow into competent professionals. The position allows young engineers to refine their technical abilities, develop communication skills, and build confidence in handling engineering responsibilities. Core responsibilities of cadet engineer. A cadet engineer's responsibilities depend on the industry and organization, but the central focus remains on learning, observing, and gradually taking ownership of engineering tasks. They assist senior engineers in planning, designing, and executing projects, often participating in feasibility studies, research, and drafting technical reports. They also support in monitoring operations, troubleshooting technical issues, and implementing solutions under supervision. In industries such as civil engineering, cadet engineers may be involved in site inspections, preparing blueprints, and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. In manufacturing or mechanical engineering, they may work on machine maintenance, quality assurance, and process optimization. Similarly, in the IT or electronics sector, cadet engineers might contribute to system testing, software development, or hardware analysis. Beyond technical assignments, cadet engineers are expected to document their activities, prepare progress reports, and present findings to supervisors. This ensures accountability and helps them develop professional communication skills. Over time, as they gain confidence, they are assigned more challenging tasks with reduced supervision. Skills and competencies required. To succeed as a cadet engineer, individuals need a combination of technical expertise, adaptability, and eagerness to learn. A strong academic background in engineering is essential, but practical skills such as problem-solving, analytical thinking, and attention to detail are equally important. Technical proficiency depends on the chosen field of engineering. Civil engineering cadets must understand construction principles, while electrical engineering cadets should be familiar with circuits and systems. Regardless of specialization, computer literacy, knowledge of industry tools, and basic project management skills are expected. Soft skills also play an important role. Cadet engineers should be good communicators, able to interact with colleagues, supervisors, and sometimes clients. They must also be adaptable, willing to work in different environments, and open to feedback. Their ability to learn quickly and apply instructions effectively is what makes them valuable in training roles. Work environment and challenges. Cadet engineers typically work in structured environments where training and supervision are emphasized. Depending on the industry, they may be stationed in offices, laboratories, factories, or construction sites. Work schedules vary, with some industries requiring standard office hours while others involve shift duties, site visits, or extended project timelines. One of the major challenges for cadet engineers is transitioning from academic learning to practical application. Real-world engineering often requires quick decision-making, teamwork, and the ability to work with limited resources. Adapting to workplace culture and meeting professional expectations can be demanding. Another challenge lies in balancing learning with contribution. While cadet engineers are primarily in training, They are also expected to deliver meaningful results. Managing this dual responsibility requires discipline, focus, and a proactive attitude. Educational background and training. Cadet engineer positions are generally offered to recent graduates with a bachelor's degree in engineering. Some organizations may also accept diploma holders or those in their final year of study, depending on the program. The recruitment process often involves aptitude tests, interviews, and sometimes group discussions to assess both technical and interpersonal skills. Once selected, cadet engineers undergo structured training programs tailored to organizational needs. These may include classroom sessions, on-the-job training, and rotational assignments. The purpose of such training is to ensure that cadet engineers become well-rounded professionals capable of handling diverse challenges. Continuous learning is emphasized in this role. Cadet engineers are encouraged to pursue professional certifications, attend workshops, and keep themselves updated with the latest technological advancements in their field. Collaboration and teamwork in the role. Teamwork is central to the role of cadet engineers. They work closely with senior engineers, project managers, and technical staff, learning from their expertise and supporting them in day-to-day operations. Collaboration allows them to gain insights into how different functions align to achieve organizational goals. Cadet engineers also interact with non-technical staff, contractors, and sometimes clients. This exposure builds their communication and interpersonal skills, preparing them for leadership roles in the future. The job description of cadet engineer highlights this collaborative aspect, showing that technical knowledge alone is not sufficient. Teamwork and adaptability are equally crucial. Career growth and opportunities. The position of cadet engineer is an entry point into the broader engineering profession. With dedication and consistent performance, cadet engineers can progress to roles such as junior engineer, project engineer, or design engineer. Over time, they may move into senior positions such as engineering manager or technical lead, depending on their specialization and experience. The exposure gained during the cadetship period often helps individuals identify their preferred areas of expertise. For example, a cadet engineer in a construction company may realize a passion for structural design, while one in a manufacturing unit may lean toward process engineering. This self-discovery shapes their long-term career path. In addition, companies often view cadet engineers as long-term investments. Those who perform well are offered permanent roles, higher responsibilities, and opportunities for further training and development. Conclusion. The job description of cadet engineer represents a structured pathway for young engineering graduates to transition into professional roles. It emphasizes learning, practical exposure, and gradual assumption of responsibilities. By working under the guidance of experienced engineers, cadet engineers develop technical expertise, adaptability, and teamwork skills that are vital for long-term success. Though the role comes with challenges such as adjusting to real-world expectations and balancing learning with performance, it provides invaluable opportunities for career growth. Cadet engineers not only gain practical experience but also develop confidence and clarity about their career direction. As organizations continue to invest in talent development, the role of cadet engineer remains a crucial stepping stone in the engineering profession. It builds the foundation for future leaders and innovators who will shape industries through their knowledge, creativity, and commitment.